This video shows the concept of Android printing using a multi-material 3D printer. It shows the initial model of the 3D printed Android robot's head. Our concept of Android printing involves printing the Android face and the internal mechanism at the same time. This results in a design process that is easier with a shorter assembly time. We develop the android's head, as shown in this picture, by printing both the soft skin, shown in green, and the rigid link mechanism, which deforms the facial skin, shown in purple, at the same time. However, this deformation mechanism combining rigid link and soft skin is different from the principles of actual human facial expression. To alleviate this difference, we introduced the ridge skin design for a more natural facial expression. Here, we created simple pilot test models. One model has ring-shaped ridges around the center hole, and the other model has no ridges. These models were created by imitating deformations of human-like mouth and eyes. In the test model without ridges, unnatural swellings were caused when rigid links were applied to torques to open the hole. In contrast, we can see that the ridged skin was deformed naturally. We also ran a simulation to see the distribution of von Mises stress. The result shows larger areas of high-stress skin parts above and below the hole on the skin without ridges. In order to confirm the feasibility of Android printing, we printed the Android head. The hardware of the Android head is mainly composed of 3 elements. 1. A soft skin with grooves. 2. An actuator unit. And 3. A rigid link mechanism. After printing, electric motors for driving were connected to the end of the links manually. Also, the power supply and electric circuits were installed externally. We created 1.8 mm deep grooves in the face skin with a thickness of 3 mm. We implemented 31 joints in the Android head. And then we created a smooth rigid link body from the connection point to each motor's axis of the actuator unit. This video shows the comparison of the original human facial expression and that of the Android head. For the robot, we changed the skin to white for the face.